Oh, but it's just all water weight.
Hey you guys, it's Jackie and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome and thank you for joining. And today I just wanted to give you guys an update. I am currently in a Biggest Loser competition with 3. Actually, we just added one more person to the mix, so it is 4 other people, so it's 5 of us total, and we are competing for $800. So basically, it's who can lose the most weight by July 31st. If you didn't know, we have been in quarantine, so all of us has gotten a little chunky. So this is our motivation to get back on track and get our health and fitness in order. Currently on the keto diet. We are at the end of week 1. If you are not aware, I have been sharing some of my super easy workouts because I can't really do any workouts on my vlogs, and giving you guys some recipes on some keto friendly meals that has been helping me lose weight.
Lose weight? What do you mean by lose weight?
Since you asked, I have currently lost 7 pounds week 1. I don't know about you, but that is pretty dang impressive. I know everyone's gonna be like,
Oh, but it's just all water weight.
yeah, it is, but in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys another keto-friendly meal that I made. It's the Tuscan Butter Shrimp. And if you guys want to see how my week has been so far, stay tuned on the rest of the video, and I'll show you guys the recipe on my keto-friendly meal. So right now, after our hangover from last night, from drinking way too much tequila, we decided to go on a hike. I'm breaking in my new knee. It's not that long of a hike. It's about 4 miles. Wish me luck. Hopefully I don't pass out. Hi, baby. Just finished with this little hike. I think I made it all the way to the top. I'm not sure. We stopped after we got to the waterfall. My knee is doing well, surprisingly. I felt it in my quads, but it's over. Now it's time to go eat. So I just finished my virtual physical therapy appointment, just because you can't go into clinic even if you had surgery, but it's okay. I'm actually running a bit late for work, returning to work, but I did just want to share with you guys, that's why I be so weak sometimes. I know my exercises seemed like they weren't really that intense, but I just had surgery, so I am just, picking up, trying to get into the swing of things. But right now, I'm about to make me my midday coffee because I have a problem with caffeine. So I'm gonna make some coffee and go back to work. Today, we are going to be making some Tuscan buttery shrimp. It sounds very good, and it is low carbs. So, also, with a side of yellow zucchini, or maybe it's called squash. I'm not too sure the actual term, but let's get to cooking. we're wrapping up the end of week 1. What I'm going to do is check my levels of ketos. I got these perfect keto strips off of Amazon. I think they were like $7 or $8. So basically you pee on the stick and it shows you the level that you're on, and if you're in ketosis. So you'll want to be as dark as possible. So let's go ahead and check where I am on the level. Alright, and then after 40 seconds, you are going to want to check where you are on the strip. Right now, I'm kind of in the middle of large and larger. I think just because I just took my gummy vitamins, they do have some sugar in it. That could be possibly why I'm not in the larger. But it's cool as long as I'm still in ketosis, everything is good. Good morning. It is currently Saturday morning, and I am currently at the high school track again. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button below if you want to stay tuned for my keto journey, and if you want to see me get fit and get this summer body. Even though everyone's saying 2020 summer is canceled, it's not. It's not mentally canceled, because even if I can't go outside and do anything, I'm still gonna stay at home on my couch with a bomb body. So, thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys next time.